Let me see what's in the package. Wow, it is my new perfume. I can't wait to try it. Do you like its smell?
It smells nice, but no, no.
Hey, are you okay? Your nose looks a little red. Are you allergic to perfume?
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure? It seems that your allergies are bothering you.
No, I, I don't have allergy.
No allergy? It's obvious something is bothering your nose.
No, stop it. My nose.
Why keep them away? I thought you weren't allergic. Bless you.
Your, your perfume is making me. It's just my random sneeze.
Really? So, if I spray some perfume on your nose, you won't need to sneeze?
No, no. You, you are making me.
Your allergies are so bad, Westley.
I'm gonna.
You can't
I'm
hold your
gonna.
sneeze anymore. Just let them out. You have to sneeze.
What's wrong with my nose?
Are you sure it's not my perfume?
No, I told you.
Well, I will spray some again. Can you hold back your sneeze? Prove it to me.
No, don't do that.
I know you're going to sneeze.
No,
Your
no,
nostrils are flaring, and you are hitching
you can't.
desperately.
You can't.
Come on. You can't hold it. Your nose is about to blow. Bless you. Your sneeze is so big and messy. You sprayed them all on my face. Oh my god, you still need to sneeze? You've sneezed so much. Need me to tickle your nose?
Come on. Come on.
Come on, it's close. Bless you. Is your nose under control now?
Oh.
Bless you.
Well, I may be allergic to your perfume. And would you keep it as a secret, please?
Of course. Well, I also have a secret to tell you. I love your sneeze.